Now that Tyler's given you all sorts of tips on how to be a VIP on podcasts, it's time to make it work for your business. You're not there just to be a chatty Cathy. You're there to drive brand awareness and sell your courses online. You might be saying to yourself, Tia, I'm already writing all these courses, teaching all these courses. I'm barely sleeping at night. What else do you expect me to do? Well, you're so lucky I'm here because it's time for my Friday feature focus. This week's feature focus is all about adding additional pages in Thinkific. How can you use them as a podcast guest extraordinaire? First, you want to build yourself a landing page. Make it really cool and hip, and maybe throw your face in or your dog's face, whatever is going to convert better. Secondly, make sure you add a call to action to sell your course. And finally, every time you're welcomed in to call into a show, and no, talking to your mom on the phone doesn't count. Make sure you're directing your listeners back to that page's URL, and then you can bask in the glory of all those enrollments. Let me quickly walk you through this process in the app. Let's go to the Pages section. If I hadn't already gotten started, I would select Create New Page, but because I already did a little bit of work, I'm going to click on Podcast Deals. So you can see I already have a bit of preloaded content here that makes sense for what I'm using it for. I've adjusted the title here to include podcast deals, the slug updated as well. And I'm actually going to drop in a little bit of extra code just by selecting this HTML section. So what I've done was I created a sales widget for one of my courses and copied the code. I'm going to drop it in here and then hit save. Now we can preview the page. And you'll see that any listeners that have come to visit this page will be able to directly go to your landing page for any course that you want to promote. Don't forget to publish your page. And if you want to include it in your site header, you can also link to it here. I think I might just leave it blank for now though. All right, that's about it. And don't forget, it doesn't have to be this simple. You can customize it as much as you want with more text, images, audio, video, links, and other custom HTML. If you want a little bit more inspiration, be sure to check out our blog. Oh, and hey, before you go, do you want to take it to the next level? You can use a landing page creation tool for even more customization, and then embed our sales widget. A couple that we recommend are Unbounce and Lead Pages. Are you ready to start on those additional pages and grow your course enrollments? Sign up for a free trial at Thinkific.com. I feel like a robot. Oh, I was not ready. How can you use them as a guest post podcast? Do you want to take it to the next level? And finally, I don't know what the final thing is. Like weird, so weird.